San Victor Island is a peaceful haven boasting white sands, turquoise waters, marine life, and church heritage. With its retreat facilities, simple overnight options, and gentle seclusion, it's a perfect escape for nature lovers and reflect travelers. The San Victor Island is celebrated for its powdery white sand, clear turquoise water, and healthy coral reefs. Visitors can enjoy swimming, relaxation. The island offers simple accommodation from tents and cozy dorm type rooms. The entrance is around 30 to 50 per person, the tents around 150 pesos per person, the cottages start at 300 pesos, and the dorm rooms from 1,600 pesos, 2 packs with breakfast.
Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.